Good morning, students. Today we all are going to learn how to solve exercise 4b. In chapter 4, after exercise 4e, we are going to learn exercise 4b. First, in exercise 4b, we are going to learn how to represent a rational number on the real number line. So we draw first a number line and take any place of 0 and distribute it into two hands, first and second. फर्स्ट हो जाएगा आर एच एस और फर्स्ट एल एच एस और दूसरा हो जाएगा आर एच एस। अब जीरो से यदि एल एच जाते हैं तो ये होता है निगेटिव, आर एच एस जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव। इन जीरो वी गो इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड with negative sign, maybe goes on other side represent positive sign. Similarly, we represent with numerals 0 and number line x and y. Between we distribute same distance first, second, negative sign, first and second, -1, -2. Similarly, we increase in both direction, such side and such side, positive side or negative side, both. We expanded it, we increased. So we represent on the number line 0 to 1 between divided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 subparts. Similarly, 1 to 2 also divided 10 subparts. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Left hand side also 0 to -1 divided equal to 10 parts. When we represent any given number on the number line, whole number with fractional part or only fractional part. Suppose that 1 by 2 and -1 by 2. 1 by 2 and -1 by 2. How to represent on the real number line? Real line. So we take 0 a and -1 divided equally 2 parts. That part is devoted 1 by 2. That part also devoted 1 by 2. So we represent half of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One 0 by 1, 1 by 10 by 10. 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, or 10 by 10. We got minus 1. So representing here 1 by 5 and 1 by 5. Similarly, we write here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 also here. 0 to minus 1 divided equally 2 parts, equally 2 parts. First 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 2. That represents 1 by 2 minus, that is 1 by 2. That name is A and A1. So OA1 is equal to minus half and OA is equal to half. Represent on the number line. Such type we see. Next question 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. Next question we see 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. How to represent? On the number line, so we draw a number line, namely x and y, putting any place be 0 and take here 1 and same distance, left hand side minus 1, same distance, right plus 1. 0 to minus 1 equally divided 3 parts. Similarly, in the right hand side also 0 to 1 equal to 3 parts we divide. That is representation of 1 by 1, 2 by 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. Similarly, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. So, out of 0 to 1, we take here only 2 parts. 2 parts is here and 2 parts is here. In negative part, that is positive, minus and plus. So here represent minus 2y, minus 2y3 and 2y3. 0, A1, 0, A. OA is equal to 2y3 and OA dash is equal to minus 2y3. We present on the number line. Similarly, we have improper fraction. We have improper fraction. We have improper fraction. Suppose that 13 by 5 and minus 13 by 5. Such number, how to represent on the number line? So 13 by 5 is equal to 2 whole 3 by 5 and minus 13 by 5 is equal to minus 2 whole 3/5 is equal to 2 plus 3/5 is equal to minus 2 plus 3/5. Here minus 2 and 2 is a whole number and fractional part is 3/5 and 3/5. 3/5 and 3/5. 3/5. So we construct या take या draw a real number, namely x and y, taking 0 in middle portion or any place 0. Now we divide its 1, 2 whole numbers easily with same distance in both sides. 1, 2 in negative. But third part minus 3 and plus 3. Between 2 and 3 divide equally 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we represent out of 3 parts, out of 5 we represent here only 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. That part is represent minus 2 whole 3/5 and 1, 2, 3. That part also represent here 2 whole 3/5. 3 whole 2 whole 3/5. While notation we show such type negative, positive. Here 13 minus 13/5. Here 13/5. When we indicate any other symbol, P dash, that is P. OP is equal to 13/5 and OP dash is equal to minus 13/5. Such type we represent only given rational number, only real number. Now we are going to learn how to compare a rational number, how to compare a given rational number to other rational number. तो कंपेयरिंग here, तुलना करेंगे एक रेशनल नंबर से दूसरे नंबर को कि विच नंबर इज ग्रेटर, एक नंबर से दूसरा नंबर कितना बड़ा है। जैसे 0 होता है रेशनल नंबर, तो 0 जो होता है सभी फ्रैक्शनल नंबर से यहाँ वह जो होता है नेगेटिव से बड़ा होता है। लेकिन जैसे 2/3 and 0 है, तो ऑलवेज नेचुरल नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन 0। लेकिन जब -2/3 रहेगा तो लेस देन 0 होगा, क्योंकि जितने भी नेगेटिव्स होते हैं रेशनल नंबर सभी 0 से छोटे होते हैं, लेस देन 0। 0 इज ग्रेटर देन each and every negative rational numbers. Similarly, we see minus 4/11 and 2/11. After comparing is equal to, we select which rational number is greater. So we write minus 4 by 11 and minus 2 by 11 when denominator is same. We compare minus 4 is less than minus 2 और minus 2 is greater than minus 4. इसीलिए जब डिनोमिनेटर सेम होता है तो नोमिनेटर जो बड़ा होता है minus 2 by 11 is greater than minus 4 by 11 या minus 4 by 11 less than minus 2 by 11. Both are answer. Next question, how to be arrange given rational numbers in ascending order or descending order. When we learn first ascending, automatically we learn descending. Least to greatest, that is ascending. Going up, ascending, coming down, descending. So we first how to arrange a given rational number in ascending order or descending order. 4 बटे minus 9, 4 बटे minus 9, minus 5 by 12, minus 5 by 12, 7 by minus 18 and minus 2 by 3. We take minus 4 by 9, minus 5 by 12, minus 7 by 18, minus 2 by 3. Take LCM of 9, 12, 18 and 3. We have 9, 6, 9, 3. 3 times 3, 3 is 2, 3 is 3, 3 is 1, 3 is. Next 3 times 1, 2, 1, 1. LCM is product of 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 2. 9 to the 18 to the 36. LCM is 36. LCM is 36. So we write under a thick line, मोटी लाइन के नीचे we write करते हैं 36. Now we divide 1 by 1 denominators and each quotient is multiplied by each numerator. So 9 4 is 36 और 4 4 is 60 minus 12. 3 is 36, 5 3 is minus 50, 18 2 is 7 2 is 14, 12 3 is 12 2 is minus 24. So we write separately minus 16 by 36, minus 15 by 36, minus 14 by 36 and minus 24 by 36. Here 36, 36, 36 all same denominators. In same denominators we compare whose numerator is greater fraction. So ascending order we first arrange its least to greatest. In negative, greatest number is lowest. So minus 24 by 36 less than minus 16 by 36 less than minus 15 by 36 less than minus 14 by 36. Now we replace rational numbers in place of minus 24 by 36 less than minus 16 by 36 and so on. So first in place of minus 24 by 36 we write minus 2 by 3 less than 16y minus 30 minus 4y9 less than 15 minus 5y12 at last 14 minus 7/18. That is ascending order. But when we learn in descending order, so descending order process is same, only choosing here and arrange differently, greatest to least. So minus 7/18 greater than minus 5/12 greater than minus 4/9 greater than minus 2/3. That is descending order, that is ascending order. Such type with different types of question by LCM method and compare. We arrange its ascending order and descending order.